Now from KTAB, meteorologist Haley Clausen with your Weather Authority forecast.
Continuing to track some showers right now through the big country, but there is more rain on the way, and we can thank Tropical Storm Bill for that. Just off the Texas Gulf Coast, less than 50 miles away from Port O'Connor or Port Lavaca. This is going to be making landfall later on this morning, so there are some tropical storm warnings in effect anywhere from Corpus Christi all the way up towards Galveston. Right now it's tracking about 50 miles per hour, which does bring it tropical storm winds. Once it makes landfall, we can expect those winds to decrease just a little bit, but still some squall lines with gusts up to about 40 miles per hour, along with some isolated tornadoes, cannot be ruled out. The main threat with this tropical storm is going to be flooding. Our soil is already saturated, especially along the Gulf Coast, and with more rain in the forecast, flooding is going to be the biggest concern. And we have rain even here in the big country from this tropical system. Really all throughout today, we are going to be seeing some scattered showers. As we head later into the afternoon, that's when some thunderstorms are going to pop up, just like what we saw them do yesterday. So a very similar setup, just with a whole lot more moisture because of this tropical disturbance. Then as we head into Wednesday, you can even see what was once Tropical Storm Bill passing through the central portion of the state. So it's really going to be staying towards the east of the big country, but still going to be bringing us rainfall chances all throughout Wednesday, even some lingering as we head into Thursday as well. Right now, the current rainfall amounts heading through about Wednesday is in the 2.5 inch rain, especially down towards the Gulf Coast. Over the next day or so, those amounts are only going to continue to grow, with locally heavy amounts up to about 10 inches. Again, that's mainly going to be along the Gulf Coast, but notice all the way up to about 5 inches of rain just in Waco. So this, as the storm does continue to track inland, it is going to be bringing rain to much of the state. 71 degrees right now here in Abilene, very similar temperatures to what we saw yesterday, but we are going to be a little bit cooler today, maxing out in the low to mid 80s. So it is a cooler day, but we still have afternoon and evening rain showers in the forecast. Our winds are out of the northeast today, between 5 and 10 miles per hour, but we still need to have that umbrella with us as we continue into later on this evening, as it does look to be a pretty soggy night. These rainfall chances sticking with us at about a 50% chance that rain is going to be impacting you today as well as Wednesday. By Thursday and Friday, those chances do decrease just a little bit. Still, those temperatures gradually climbing back up into the 90s, but we'll still be finding ourselves in the mid-90s by this weekend. Sunday looking absolutely perfect. If you had plans to stay indoors and cook maybe with Dad, take it outdoors, barbecue, because Sunday mostly sunny skies, temperature about 94 degrees. It's looking good.
It looks great for all weekend, in fact.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Should be good.